welcome. Come on in. So, welcome to another slightly inebriated room tour. We are here at the Hilton, Terminal 5 Hilton. I think I said Hilton twice then, but hey ho. And we've just earned ourselves a cheeky little upgrade to the point where we don't actually even know what type of room this is. I'm going to say it's a pretty top level tier suite, judging by the looks of things. So, to start off with, we have a full wet bar, sink, storage space, coffee machine, kettle, Nespresso pods, lots and lots of bickies, complimentary water, and pretty much all of the glass and crockery you could need for a nice little cheeky night out. Into room 1, this is the main living area. Dining table, so room service is 24/7 in this hotel, so we could order ourselves some cheeky chicken wings. They are pretty good here, even the vegan ones, dare I say it. Some pugs. Are they pugs? Bulldogs? They're dogs. They're quirky. I like them. Large corner sofa, TV, window which overlooks the brook which runs outside a hotel. You can't really see much, it's pretty dark outside. So yeah, this is the main sitting area, I would guess. Next part, we will go into the bathroom. Bathroom is pretty much like the standard bathrooms here in this hotel. You've got an open plan walk-in shower, Crabtree toiletries. It's not a rainfall shower, it's just a standard wand, sink, toilet, all the usual amenities, shaving mirror, and there is charging for your toothbrush, shaver, that kind of stuff in there. On into room 2, we have the main bedroom, which is pretty much as big as the living area. So we've got a king size bed, telephone by the side, bedside lamps. I can't see any bedside charging, but there are plenty of plugs dotted around the room. I tell a lie, there is charging at the bedside, USB, UK plug socket, and on the other side there looks like to be an international plug socket, which will take your European and North American sockets. Desk area for doing some work, more complimentary water, nice little snuggle chair. Under the desk there is a fridge, not stocked, but we brought plenty of gin with us. Moving on through into this area, there is a wardrobe. In here you've got your safe, slippers, weighing scales, ironing board, laundry service, bathrobes, additional towels, and then a second bathroom. Yes, a second bathroom. Walk-in shower, large, deep bathtub, sink, toilet, and massive mirror with brilliant lighting for taking those cheeky little selfies. So, kind of gutted we're only here for a couple of hours because we've got a flight at 4:30 tomorrow morning. We're off to Athens and then on a cruise. There'll be a couple of videos coming out over the next 2 weeks or so. Thank you once again for joining us. Here's to a cheeky drunk room tour.